Good morning, students. Welcome back to YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started our chapter number one that is matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings, in which we have covered a lot of topics. And today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is interconversion of states of matter. Interconversion of states of matter. As we have discussed three states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Interconversion means we can convert solid to liquid, liquid to gas, liquid back to solid, and gas back to liquid or gas back to solid. Like all the three states are interchangeable to each other. Like we can convert solid to liquid, liquid to solid, solid to gas, gas to solid. So all the three states are interconvertible. All the three states are interconvertible. So today we will discuss how these three states are interconvertible, and we will also discuss all the terms related to that topic one by one. So it might be some little bit big video, but we will cover all the terms related to that topic. So be patient, students, and note down all the concepts. So let's start. That is chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings, in which we will discuss interconversion of states of matter. Interconversion of the states of matter. That is chapter number 1. That is matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. Today we will discuss interconversion of states of matter. Interconversion of states of matter. So, like, one point is there, that is how interconversion of states of matter takes place due to all change in temperature. Like if we raise the temperature, solid converts into liquid. We further raise the temperature, liquid changes into gas. Suppose if we decrease the temperature, the gas converts into liquid. We further decrease the temperature, liquid turns into solid. So all the three states, their interconvertibility depends on the effect of temperature. So basic point is here that with the change in temperature, the states can be interconvertible from one form to other. So we will draw a flow chart, that is interconversion of states of matter. First of all, suppose we will write here that is solid state, we will write here that is liquid state, and we will write here that is gaseous state. So all these states are interconvertible to each other. So if we see that is when we convert solid to liquid, it is known as fusion. And in our next video we will also discuss that is latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization, and you will better understand that is latent heat of fusion what actually means. So fusion is just solid is converted into liquid. And liquid to solid, that is solidification. And liquid to gas, as we have already know, that it is called as vaporization. And it is called as gas to solid. Gas to liquid, it is called as condensation. And solid to gas, it is known as sublimation. And gas to solid, it is also known as sublimation, or we can write it as desublimation. As we have in chapter number 2 is already discussed what is sublimation. That solids which directly convert from solid to gas, or we can say that whose liquid phase does not exist, that are known as sublime solids, and the process is known as, and the phenomena is known as sublimation. Like we use camphor, we will use in or at Diwali, at the time of Durga Puja, like white substance, it gets converted into from solid to gas directly, or we will use incense sticks. So it will also get converted from solid to gas directly. Like we will use naphthalene balls, white colored balls, which are used in like to store woolen clothes. These white balls are naphthalene balls. They also get converted from solid to gas directly. That process is, that phenomenon is known as sublimation or that salt is known as sublime salt. Sublime salt. So we will discuss all terms one by one. Its flow chart is important. That is how interconversion of states will take place. Interconversion of states will take place. So we will discuss all terms one by one. All terms one by one. All happen just because of change in temperature. Just because of change in temperature. So first of all we will discuss, that is fusion or melting, fusion or melting point. Fusion or melting point. So what is it? That is the process of conversion. The process of conversion of a matter from solid to its liquid state. From solid to its liquid state at specific conditions of temperature and pressure. At specific conditions of temperature and pressure is called fusion. Fusion or melting point. Fusion or melting point. Like second one is boiling or boiling point. Boiling, or we can write it as boiling point. Boiling or boiling point. What is it? The process of conversion. The process of conversion of a matter from its liquid state to vapors, or we can write it as gaseous state. From its liquid state to vapors at specific conditions of temperature and pressure. At specific conditions of temperature and pressure. For example, like that boiling point of water is boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. We will take example here, that is melting point of ice. Like example, melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. Or we can write it as, and the temperature at which a liquid starts boiling. Temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure. At the atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. And the temperature at which liquid starts boiling is called boiling point. Now we will discuss our third important term, that is sublimation. Third one is sublimation. So what is sublimation? The process of change of solid. The process of change. The process of change of solid state directly into gaseous state, without passing through the liquid state, without passing through the liquid state, or we can say that whose liquid phase does not exist, passing through the liquid state upon heating is called sublimation. Like we will take examples of sublimation, or we can write examples of sublimed solid. So examples are naphthalene balls, camphor, incense sticks, etc. These all are sublimed solids. They get converted from directly from solid to gas. Next one is our vaporization. Some basic terms are there. Like next one is vaporization. As we simply know, that is from liquid to gas. So it is the process of conversion of the process of conversion of a metal from its liquid state to gaseous state, at specific conditions of temperature and pressure. At specific conditions of temperature and pressure. Is called vaporization. Fifth one is that is freezing. Point. Freezing point. That is the process of conversion of metals. The process of conversion of matter from its liquid state to solid state. The process of conversion of metal from its liquid state to solid state at specific conditions of temperature and pressure. At specific conditions of temperature and pressure. And we can add this, it is a reverse process of fusion. It is a reverse process of fusion. Or melting. And at definite temperature, or we can write it as and at the definite temperature, and at the definite temperature at which the liquid, at which the liquid changes into solid state, changes into solid state by giving out heat energy, by giving out heat energy at 1 atm, at 1 atm is called the freezing point. Now last term, that is our condensation. Last term, that is condensation, and with that our today's topic will be completed. Sixth one is our condensation. So condensation is the process of conversion of matter. The process of conversion of matter. The process of conversion of matter from its gaseous state. The process of conversion of matter from its gaseous state to liquid state. Gaseous state to liquid state at its or at specific conditions of temperature and pressure. Specific conditions of temperature and pressure. So this is all about today's topic, that is interconversion of states of matter. Flow chart is very, very important. Like if you draw the flow chart, if question comes how the interconversion of states possible, you can draw the flow chart. Which will indicate that you know the concept better. Like you have already know that is solid is converted into liquid, it is fusion. Like liquid into solid, that is solidification. Like solid to gas, that is sublimation. Gas to solid is also sublimation, or we can add it as desublimation. Liquid to gas, that is vaporization. Gas to liquid, that is called condensation. But if sometimes like important terms come, that is what is sublimation, what are sublime solids, give examples. So you can write that. Point comes, what is melting point, what is fusion. So you can also know their definitions also. So this is all about our today's topic, that is interconversion of states of matter. So thank you students, thank you very much.